Check this out, 2011 Mitsubishi Endeavor LS all-wheel drive. It's a 2-owner, clean Carfax. Look how clean this interior is. It's nicely equipped. Look at those tires. Under the doors, this vehicle is $79.95. We take all forms of payments and or trades. If you need help with financing, we can also help arrange that on the premise, no matter what your credit situation is. It comes with a 0 deductible, 3-month, 3,000 mile service contract, good anywhere in the country. You can upgrade that up to 36 months, 36,000 if you wish. Take this to your garage and have it pre-inspected prior to purchase. It is $79.95, and it's very, very nice. Look underneath. See how clean that is? At Tempest Motors, we now offer out-of-state rust-free vehicles. All come with a warranty. We are now selling motorcycles with warranties as well as all our vehicles. So come check us out. We have a nice selection. Thanks for looking.